You and I, we love America, we truly do, but we're dealing with many issues far beyond what I'm going to mention here now. An opioid crisis destroying a generation, a bloated federal debt crippling our future, heightened gun violence, kids killing kids, sexual deviancy socially accepted, a media bias we are rejecting, divisive politics driving us nuts, and a string of broken families. America's hurting. I take this seriously, as you must be too if you're listening to this. Hi, my name is Eugene Harnett, and if you're serious as I am, then you'll want to get what I'm going to share with you. It's a 3-step formula for making America great again. It doesn't take money, it doesn't take organization, it doesn't take exceptional skill, it doesn't take knowledge, it takes you. You are vital to this 3-step formula that I want to share with you. And so I want you to put your name and email, or just your email in, and submit it. Be an action taker. Let me know that you're serious and not just a watcher. Because this nation needs revival. This nation needs a resurrection of its original founding purpose. And this is what this 3-step formula will give you. It's simple, it's easy, it's a message that needs to get out today. Now let's go make it great. I look forward to working with you as well in the future.